The Miranda Rights, a fundamental part of criminal law, are well known, but the story behind their establishment is often unclear. They originated from the case of Ernesto Miranda, a man whose crime and conviction led to the legal requirement for suspects to be informed of their rights during interrogation. In 1963, 23-year-old Ernesto Miranda was arrested in Phoenix, Arizona, after being identified by a victim of kidnapping and rape. Following a 2-hour interrogation, Miranda confessed to the crimes and signed his confession, unaware of his right to remain silent or request an attorney before questioning. Miranda's confession was central to his trial, leading to his conviction and a 20 to 30-year sentence. However, his defense argued that the confession was involuntary, as Miranda didn't know he could refuse to answer questions. The case was appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court in 1966, which ruled 5-4 in Miranda's favor. The court decided that suspects must explicitly waive their Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination and Sixth Amendment right to counsel before interrogation, and that the interrogation must stop if these rights are invoked. Miranda was retried in 1967, where he was again found guilty, despite the exclusion of his confession. As a result of this case, it is now required that every suspect be informed of their rights before any interrogation begins. Failure to deliver these rights renders any statement made during interrogation inadmissible in court. Miranda and the Fifth Amendment. The key issue in Miranda's case was whether the Fifth Amendment's protection against self-incrimination applied during police interrogation. The Supreme Court ruled that these rights must be explicitly conveyed to suspects, ensuring protection during questioning. What are the rights? The Miranda rights include the right to remain silent, the warning that anything said can be used against them in court, the right to an attorney, with one provided if they cannot afford it, confirmation of understanding, and whether the suspect wishes to continue speaking. Miranda's life ended on January 31, 1976, when he was fatally stabbed in a fight in Phoenix. At the time of his death, he was carrying several Miranda cards.